What?
They've not done anything over here.
No, that's where, originally, that's where I thought the second 18 holes was going to be.
Yeah, I did too.
But they never start, they never started it.
I know, but see, there's no surveying done over there up until my Oasis there. From Oasis north, it's surveyed and everything. But once you come this way, no.
Yeah,
So they've got some plans for that.
You're talking about the plots and stuff for the houses are already cut out. Yeah, right.
And somebody said there's going to be something big commercial right here on this corner. Yeah, that's all speculation.
Well, eventually they're going to have a store out here. I mean, that's a given, I think.
Yeah.
But they got 870 in the neighborhood right now, on its way to 1,300, and 2,672 in Festival,
Yeah.
on its way to 72.
Yeah.
So the neighborhood's closer to being built out than we are.
Yeah.
They're past halfway.
Yeah. I don't see how they get people to buy over there.
I don't either.
Yeah, if you're far from your work, you're far from your school, and when you're retired, you're fine up here.
Yeah, I don't know how you would justify.
Yeah.
But they like to be out of the hustle and bustle. This is the place to be.
Yeah. Did you say you've already talked to Victor about your
I did.
project?
Yeah, and I got another estimate from a guy last week.
How's Victor compare?
Well, he's a lot cheaper.
Is he?
Yeah,
Okay.
but some of the stuff the other guy was doing, Victor hadn't said anything about. So,
Okay.
so I'm maybe going to talk to Victor again about doing some of the things this other guy has suggested.
Yeah.
Got a car behind you. Well, we're thinking about having a built-in barbecue put in with a little table on the side of it,
Oh, yeah.
and with the fire pit, having stone on the side of the fire pit,
Uh-huh.
and stone around the bottom of the two pillars to
Yeah.
tie it all together.
Oh, man, that'll look nice. That looks good across the street from you, that stonework they did on that Valor.
Yeah. Well, the lady next to him just had Victor do their patio,
Yeah.
and he did a fire pit and travertine, a couple seat benches,
Yeah.
a fountain, and a couple walls. So I mean, he did quite a bit of work there. The only problem with him is you just never know when he's going to be there.
I know.
GoPro, stop recording.